The bonds present in N2O5 are. Let us write the structure of N2O5. 2 nitrogens, 5 oxygens. Okay. This oxygen, let us suppose it's forming 2 bonds. If it is forming 2 bonds, it will have 2 lone pairs. And nitrogen can form maximum 4 bonds. Nitrogen valence electronic configuration is 2s2 2p3. So nitrogen will generally form 3 bonds, because according to valence bond theory, half filled orbitals only can take part in bonding. So nitrogen can form 3 bonds, and there is one lone pair. So if nitrogen is forming 3 bonds, there will be one lone pair. If in any compound, if you are showing that nitrogen is forming 4 bonds, the fourth bond should be a coordinate covalent bond, in which the lone pair on nitrogen will be donated to any donor atom, any acceptor. Means the lone pair on nitrogen will form a coordinate covalent bond. Now in this case, oxygen I am showing 2 bonds. So if I show single bond here, if I show double bond on oxygen means 2 lone pairs. Again double bond on this oxygen means 2 lone pairs. So nitrogen is forming 3 bonds. If it is forming 3 bonds, the fourth bond should be a coordinate covalent bond, in which nitrogen donates electrons and oxygen accepts electrons. Similarly in the case, nitrogen donates electron, oxygen accepts electrons. So these are normal covalent bonds, whereas this bond is a coordinate covalent bond. So what is your answer here? What is the question given here? The bonds present in N2O5. Both nitrogen and oxygen are non-metals. So bonding between two non-metals will be covalent, but not ionic. An ionic bond will be formed between a metal and non-metal. So ionic bond ruled out, and ionic and covalent also ruled out. And there is coordinate covalent bond, so the bond should be covalent and coordinate covalent. So option B should be our answer. And this double bond and this single bond can be on any oxygen atom. Means I can write the structure like this also. Because the oxygen is in conjugation, I can write, and when oxygen is forming single bond, there will be 3 lone pairs and negative charge. If it is forming 2 bonds, it will be neutral. Okay, this nitrogen, because it is forming 4 bonds positive charge, nitrogen 4 bonds positive charge, 2 positive charges, 2 negative charges. So overall the compound will be neutral. So how many types of bonds are there? Covalent and coordinate covalent bond.